Okay, so Jay, so please tell me about WM. What is warehouse management?
Warehouse management is the management of the inventories within the company. So once a warehouse management was set up in a company, so let's say for example, within a plant, we have a storage location, and from the storage location, uh, uh, we have different types of storage location, and from that storage location, we have different racks and bins, which the uh, which our items were located in the warehouse.
Okay, so my next question was what is transfer requirement?
Um, a transfer requirement. Uh, I'm a little bit confused, but and we have a transfer uh, uh, stock transfer order wherein we uh, transfer one one stock from one location to another location. So uh, we also have a transfer order in which this is a document wherein all the details of the transfer of our inventories uh, are I mean the transfer uh, it is a document wherein all our transactions of the transfers were indicated.
Okay, okay, thank you. So my next question is, what are different movement types? Can you tell me? Can you specify what are different movement types?
Different movement types. We have wait. In goods receipt, we we have we have a movement type of it's
Like I can give
101.
you some hints. Like there is some code, and for example, 101 GR receipts.
101, yes, for GR, and
Yes.
then uh 101, and then 122 uh for goods issuance.
Okay.
uh I can't remember.
Okay, no problem. So basically, this question is very basic questions. Sometimes maybe you don't remember right this moment. Anyway, so let me ask you another question. Uh, what is the difference between storage unit and handling units?
uh uh it is the location,
Hmm?
while the handling unit is the
Now I'm asking some question related to SAP MM because you are also you have some experience of uh, handling SAP MM module, right? So let me
yes.
ask you some question related to SAP MM. So can you tell me what are the essential components in SAP MM?
um uh the essential components in SAP MM is that components.
Some hints like source determinations, vendor selection, order processing. These are the essential components.
um
So
and for
okay, you can add, you can continue if you want.
Okay. So for the for example procurement processing. So we have uh for example the procurement cycle, we have at first the determination of the requirements, and then afterwards determination of the uh of source of supply. So so we need to have the RFQ, or the request for quotation, and so after that, so we need to do the vendor selection, and after the vendor selection, uh, we will do the purchase order processing, and then afterwards, when uh, let's say for example in the purchase order processing, the workflow and the release strategy was set up in a company. So all the approvers should do the necessary approvals, and then afterwards, once all the approvals has been made, uh, and the item was delivered into the company, a goods receipt will be uh, created, and it will be sent to the vendor. I mean, once a goods receipt has been created, it will be reflected on the system, and then afterwards, the LIV, or the logistics invoice verification, should be created and to be sent to the vendor for the payment processing. So that's the procurement cycle in MM.
Okay, okay, thank you so much. Right now, why are you looking for a change? Can you tell me?
Actually, right now I'm an entrepreneur. I'm doing online business selling. So to be honest, the income was not it's not really good right now. So I need to go back in a corporate setting to have a regular income.
Okay, so uh, what is your definition of a good company or an ideal company? How do you define good company?
Um, a good company uh, is someone who values their employees, uh, basically uh, giving credits. Hello, hello. I can't hear you.
Oh, sorry,
I
sorry,
cannot hear you.
sorry, I was muted. Sorry, sir. So basically, this is a very initial phase of this recruitment process. So here is the end of this discussion. So this video is being recorded and it will be shared with the consent company. They'll review, and if you're shortlisted, then they will contact you again for further details. Okay, so till then, bye
Okay.
and
Bye. Thank you.
have a nice day. Okay, okay,
Good night.
good night.